Well, hello, welcome to another video, and today I'm going in an air raid shelter which was built in the 1940s. It took a year and a half to build, which is the longest one in Malta, and now I'm in Mellieha, and let's check it out, go inside and see what's inside the shelter. Let's go. So we entered here, and the first thing we noticed is all of this, which obviously they are the original stuff that was from the actual war, and we are going to check as well the first two rooms here, which are obviously maternity rooms, which are obviously these are all original. For example, where the baby used to sleep, and obviously the furniture here, and obviously we can see on this side like a maternity nurse. After this on this, obviously the baby crying, and obviously it's like how it was during the war, when obviously a woman delivers the child, and obviously when we're going to get here we see two hallways, like one on each side, and obviously these were rooms which you can see obviously during the war how it was basically, like where they slept as well. So these are like the mannequins here, what they had as well. These are the place that they used to have here. You know, the lighting here, I think it was like a candle as well. This is another room here, two beds, like smallish beds. Obviously some people used to sleep either in these rooms over here or in the hallways. So obviously a big family had obviously 8-10 children and more. Obviously they obviously slept obviously on like mattresses that staircase like going up. So mattresses they had that days obviously. And obviously they slept like this kind of bed. There's like another dummy there, mannequin, sorry, and obviously all original pieces here. So this is the longest part shelter here. As I told you, it's like 500 meters all the way, and obviously this is how they used to cut out the rocks, obviously like with that shovel. That's why they took obviously a year and a half to do. Like obviously it has like multiple entrances as well. That's like the guy was usually there to obviously direct people in and out. Let's check out this side. So here, before, after obviously war had finished, etc., they used to put stuff here of importance. So this was another room that's obviously it's dug out, and obviously they moved it to a museum basically now. So this is that's like a military police guy, like a warden, sorry, which obviously directed people as well, like as the other mannequin had obviously like got in the entrances and exits, just to help with the wartime as well. So here it's usually a tent here, because obviously there's a sign over here, which was part obviously as the shelter. It's rather big, this shelter. You can see the corridors, how big they are. Basically it's like going, I think in Malta there aren't any corridors this big. Obviously it was like smaller in size, which obviously this one is the biggest. Basically it was, I heard the guy telling me. So let's check out, so this is like another room. So what you can see there, those are like the candles here. You see that those are like burn marks there. It's multiple candles here. So let's check out the other side as well, and see what we can find. So as you can see here, this is part of the original entrance here, that obviously had this shelter. So they come over here. So they come over here. Obviously you go either there or over here. It depends on the obviously rooms that you had here and where you are located. So you can find here like pictures and information as well about this particular place as well. So this is part of, you know, roads. It's like 6 by 4 feet, if I'm not mistaken, like original furniture as well. So this part as well, this is just obviously a long corridor. You can see as well here where candles were put, obviously because during the war obviously there was no lighting here, so they had to put up with candles. So it's an original like pen where obviously they washed some clothes or stuff like that. So as I've been told, this area was wasn't like this during the war. It was obviously a corridor. That's a minor. This part was put like this, just to put something here. Don't know the reason. I think for like hotel, putting stuff here as a storage. And this part wasn't like this. This was a corridor like we used to see here. So let's check out the last part of it here. You have like an original picture is there, not original, but obviously a picture of those picture that they have on magazines or newspapers as well. So I'm trying to give you like a small tour as well. As you can see, I don't think this area had rooms here. It's either the rooms were on the other side, and obviously this was cut for either exits and entrances. That's been blocked off by obviously that there's nothing there. Let's check out. I think this part was, as well as I was saying, for people going in and out. I don't know if those people back in the day were going to put rooms here, but I think they slept here, like in beds on the sides as well. This is due to the large families that they had during that time. And let's check out. You can see multiple here for the candles as well. Small and big sizes here, so out this room. This room is rather small as well. They started it and not finished, or they had like one bedroom, something, one large bed. I don't know. Let's check out. And this, if I'm not mistaken, you can see like these guys during the war, like how they used to live back in the day during the war. And this one is as well, like how they had their food delivered. Obviously they had like farms as well, so. And this one on our couple of rooms, I think it's connects from that side to this side. And here we have the exit for this shelter. So, going to make myself back. This was a really fun tour. I enjoyed talking to the guys in the front as well. They gave me loads of information as well of what this shelter was used for, like how many people are here. One of them told me like they had like 1,700 people or 1,800 people, something that at the peak of the war as well. And obviously not all of them had rooms that we saw. Obviously like people like corridors like this, slept here. So I cannot imagine during the war the amount of people that obviously were here. Let's continue our way out. So I enjoyed this little tour. Hope you enjoyed it slightly as well as I did. Hope you, when you have the chance, you visit here as well. It's a very good visit here. So it's only like $250 to get in, so you know, small thing for this little maintain here as well. Obviously they give you such good information as well, loads of information, how they lived here, how they built it, everything like that. So I enjoyed talking to them, to these people, and obviously taking the tour here, as well as seeing a part of history that is this shelter when it was this war, in the war as well. Obviously it wasn't nice, you know, but I recommend that you come here as well and visit the place, you know. Well, that was the end of the video and a small tour. Hope you enjoyed it as I did. Take a visit in the shelters. It is nice just to take a stroll there. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel and the video obviously, and hope I see you on the next videos. See you soon.